Last time it was organized somewhere in February. And somehow this government is so lax in recovering its dues. But they put that one line, unless dues are not recovered, we will not give the license. And they give the license on the last day. However, we have been keeping a watch on the dues through RTIs, and accordingly on the 17th of this month we filed a petition before the High Court that no permissions should be granted without dues recovered. I think the High Court took a very serious view and admitting in the open court that the petition has to come repeatedly for the recovery of dues. Now what happened, I will speak later on, but what happened in the court will be explained to you by Advocate Rohit Prasad.
We had to approach the High Court for the fourth time. In the year 2014, we had approached the High Court saying that the Sunburn Music Festival is happening, and there are several areas not being paid to the government. And in spite of not recovering the areas, permissions are being given. In 2014, the High Court passed directions saying that these areas have to be recovered. In 2016, once again, we knocked the doors of the High Court saying that the government is not recovering the areas of Sunburn Music Festival. Again, 2016 directions are issued that areas have to be recovered, and the petition was disposed of. 2019, we filed this petition informing the court. In 2018 we filed also. 2019 in February. In February 2019 again we knocked the doors of the High Court, and we told the High Court that the areas have not been recovered. At that juncture, an amount of rupees 2 crores came to be adjusted, which was an amount lying with the government of Goa, and that amount which was belonging to Sunburn Music, the organizers of Sunburn, was adjusted and secured towards the areas due to the government. In spite of this adjustment, there were areas running to crores of rupees. That is around, to be precise, 1 crore 38 lakhs. On 17th of December, we knocked the doors of the High Court once again, informing the court that the government of Goa is proposing to have a EDM music festival, Sunburn Music Festival, without recovering the areas. That in principle, we are not against the EDM festival or the Sunburn Music Festival, but the areas which is due to the state government has to be recovered. When this petition came up today, the court took a very serious note of it, and in fact in the direction that came to be passed in today's order was that directed that the amount of rupees 75 lakhs would have to be given by way of security to secure the amount, to secure a major portion of the amount of around 1 crore 38 lakhs which is due to the government of Goa. And the 1 crore 50 lakhs which is supposed to be deposited for this function that is being held in December has to be deposited by way of security. So the total amount of rupees 2 crores 25 lakhs has to be deposited has to be given as security and has to be furnished to the Directorate of Tourism. Whilst making this observation and directions, the Honorable High Court Justice Sonap has in fact made it very clear to the Advocate General Devidas Pangam that he has to convey to the Directorate of Tourism that if the Sunburn Music Festival is held without recovering or securing the amount of rupees 2 crores 25 as ordered by the court in the order today, then the Directorate of Tourism will be personally held for contempt of court. Furthermore, the court directed that if this amount of rupees 2 crores 25 lakhs is secured by furnishing proper appropriate security before the Directorate of Tourism, then the permissions which the Sunburn organizers are supposed to get from the government authorities would have to be considered within a period of 48 hours.
That the tourism minister is coming on record every time to say that every time it is the same thing, that till the dues are paid, we will not grant license. And license has been granted. Now, the tourism minister is making a very clear, at least an exposure, that he is involved in some fishy deal. And the court has also observed one more thing, and that will come out in the petition which is going to be heard further. That the government always decides to give the license on the last day, thereby blocking anyone to come to the booth. So this hoodwinking won't work. And therefore this set directions. I demand from the Chief Minister to sack this tourism minister who has been trying to shield them for reasons best known to him. Last year also it was due to our intervention that 2.5 crores was adjusted. It was not come voluntarily. It was done on the very last day